This brief video will demonstrate how to make neat and symmetrical increases for a sleeve when knitting in the round. The increases are made mid-under sleeve. This is where a seam would normally be if you were to knit a sleeve flat. Place a marker for the midpoint. Then knit one stitch after the marker. Then make a yarn over. Then knit in the round until you get to the end of the round. When you have one stitch left, make another yarn over, then knit the last stitch. In the second round, knit the yarn overs as twisted stitches to avoid holes. I knit the twisted stitches here through the back loop. Then, in the third round, work the stitches as stocking stitches or as per your pattern.